Hey guys, what's going on? Dr. Hash here, Breakaway Chiropractic. We got another adjustment going on today with Tessa. She is a badass kickboxer, so don't mess with her. She will kick your butt. But she's got a lot of things going on from her training, things like that. So I'll pass the torch on to her, kind of let her explain what's been going on, what's been bothering her.
So the reason I'm getting adjusted is because my body is going through like 3 months without an adjustment, and that's the longest it's been in like a year and a half.
That's way too long.
I've been coming here for a while, and pretty much it allows me to keep working out at the, I'm not going to say the aggressive level. What is it? The
intensity?
Yes, the intensity.
Yeah.
I can't really work out at my preferred intensity whenever I'm hurting all the time. Like right now, I can tell you both my shoulders, my hip, my knee, low back, everything fantastically hurting. And I like to hit the bag every day. So for me, like my shoulder constantly being agitated like that, it does a lot of damage to my shoulder. I know for a fact that I've had days where I can't sleep because I can't breathe, because it literally just it hurts. So pretty much I've been needing this, and I'm waiting for this, and I'm so excited.
All right, so we're gonna check everything out. We're gonna get it back to where she needs to be. So, all right, so I'm gonna check everything out. Go ahead and put your arms up right through here. All right. I'm gonna push down. I want you to push up to the ceiling. So push up. Just do a little muscle test real quick. Push up to the ceiling over here. Okay, you can see how this one's a little bit weaker. Arms like this. Push out towards me. Push. Good. Pull in like a bicep curl. There you go. Good. Push out. Pull in. Okay, so even pushing out on that right side.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm gonna push right here. I want you to push it up to the ceiling for me. Okay. So push up. Okay. See how hard that is to push up?
Mm-hmm.
Push up on this side. Good. Kick out towards me. Good. Kick out. Pull in. Pull in. Good. Even on that side, pulling in, you can feel how weak that is. So basically what I'm just testing your nerves correlated to your hands from your neck and then in your low back all the way down your legs. They control muscle strength, but they also control your ability to touch and feel. So if you've ever dealt with numbness and tingling, a lot of compression on your nerves.
Yeah, lots of numbness from that leg.
Which leg?
Right.
Your right one? Is that the leg you usually kick with?
Yes.
Obviously you kick with both.
Very aggressively with this one.
Okay.
I prefer to hit the bag on the right side at all times.
You should switch it up.
Hey, I do.
Alright, go ahead and stand over there. We're gonna face me. I'm just gonna do a quick posture check, so just shake it out. Relax. I'm doing the Bernie. Alright, so face me right over here. First thing that I notice, head tilt going to the left. So your right ear comes up way higher. Okay. Shoulders are pretty even, but I can see that you kind of raise your traps up as well.
And I'm trying so hard to lay it down. I can't.
Yeah. Do you mind if I place my hands on your hips?
Go right ahead.
All right. I can even feel that your left hip. So we're gonna check this out. You can probably see on the video that we're about half an inch shorter on this right side compared to the left, okay? And then if you take that to her hips, you'll notice that this side is way higher. All right, so we're gonna check everything out. Gonna bring this headpiece down. Deep breath in for me. Exhale all the way out. Relax that mid back. Good. See how tense that is through there in that mid back. Deep breath in again. Exhale all the way out. Good. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Awesome. Deep breath in, all the way. One hand here, gotta protect the ponytail. Deep breath in, all the way out. Relax that pony. Good. Ponytail to the side. Deep breath in, all the way out. You feel how much tighter that right side was. Okay, I'm gonna use this drop table. All right, we're gonna be contacting right through that glute, okay?
Yep.
You can see just from that, right there, just taking out that anterior portion of that hip, we're able to get those legs back to even, take pressure off of that. All right, lay on this side. We're gonna face me right over here. I'm gonna pull you closer to me. I'm gonna pull this arm right here. There you go. Good. Your hips are so tight.
I do a lot.
I know. Slide down just a little bit more. There you go. Good.
That one felt awesome.
On your back for me. Relax that head. Coming right through here, relax that head. Holy moly.
Yes.
I'm gonna get a nice traction pull through here. So on your exhale, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a quick pull. Okay, so bring your teeth together on your exhale, but don't clench them together, okay? You'll feel this traction all the way throughout that mid spine. Deep breath in, exhale all the way. Good. Okay, slide down for me. You feel that down that spine. Just stretching all that. Alright, I'm gonna get these ribs, roll towards me. Deep breath in, all the way out. Good. Flip those arms to the other side. And go right through.
Yeah, I can't even think right now. That felt so much better.
Deep breath in, all the way out. One more for me. Let's see how locked up that side is. We'll get that moving now. Alright, girl. We're gonna get a nice stretch through here. Bend this leg for me. I'm gonna have one hand here, other one's going on this opposite hip. You can see how tight that hip is because how much it's raising up just doing that. Okay. Alright, so push your foot into me like you're trying to kick me. Just don't kick too hard. And relax. See how that opens up? Push up to the ceiling for me. And relax. There you go. Open up those hips. We're gonna come all the way across. I'm sliding them right here. Push your leg into me like you're trying to kick me. And relax. Relax, relax, relax. There you go. Let's get that other side moving. Relax that hip. There you go. Now push. And relax. Good. Push that knee up to the ceiling. And relax. Good. Push into me. And relax. Awesome. Alright, girl. What we're gonna do is we're gonna flip onto your stomach one more time. I'm gonna hit you with this hyper hold. Those guys will loosen.
All right. I love the hypervolt.
We love it too. Go ahead and drop those arms all the way to the side so it'll relax everything a lot more. Thank you. See how tight that is.
Oh, yeah.
That muscle's starting to twitch. If anything feels uncomfortable, let me know, okay? on, spot into that rib.
That was where he had me. I was crying last night. It was so bad.
We'll get it loosened up. We'll get it loosened up. Get on these glutes, get these guys loosened up.
Oh my god, my leg is freaking out.
I know, it's right into that IT band. Especially right there. You can tell you use your right side a lot more because this side is not near as tight.
I can't help it. I love left side kicks.
You just kick for power, girl.
I don't use power.
No?
No!
What do
I would
you
break
use?
the bag. I use form technique.
But form equals power, right? The better form you have, the more power you get.
See, but I can control it. I don't have to hit the bag at 100%.
This is true.
That's what you say the last round for.
This is the truth. Yeah. All right, girl. Flip onto your back for me. I'm gonna check out both of those shoulders. Just gonna come around this side first. Just gonna check the shoulder out. Relax that for me. Okay, so mobility's not so bad.
I do still stretch. And
Yeah.
do a
I
lot
kind
of
of feel it
function.
catch a little bit right through there. But you can feel how tight your pec minor is
Yeah.
right through there.
I do a lot of push-ups.
Why are you so strong, girl? Body weight. Body weight exercises are huge.
Always.
A lot of times people think you gotta lift heavy. Lifting heavy is only as good as your form, though.
I can pull a semi-truck. I ain't big. I like it this way.
Alright, see how much better that is? Alright, let's slide to the other side.
Now the right side.
The moment of truth, right?
Right? Whew.
Relax that for me. You can see right through here, it just stops. It doesn't want to go anymore. Okay.
I was waiting for that.
Yeah. Relax that for me. See how much more range you have just from that. Okay, I'm gonna get my finger just into that armpit. Is that cool with you?
Yep.
Because I know that.
I know this is gonna
right there.
suck, but it makes everything fixed.
It does. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. One more through that motion. All the way out. If it's too much, let me know. We're coming across this way. So I want you to open up that arm just like that. Breathe, girl, breathe. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. There we go, one more. Deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. All right. Get those feet moving. Relax that leg for me. soft already.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You got like a quarter of the way.
Alright, relax. Good. More on this side. Good.
That's my special one.
Awesome. Come on up, girl. I'm gonna recheck everything. We're gonna face this way one more time. We're gonna go arms up. Push up to the ceiling. Good. Push up. See how much more that's firing down on the left side. Arms out. Push out towards me. Pull in. Good. Push out. Pull in. Good. And push up to the ceiling. Good. Kick out. Pull in. Remember how weak that was the first time pushing up on that side? Push out. Pull in. Good. Even right through there. Okay. How's that feel?
Great.
Stand up. Move that around.
See, this is good. This doesn't hurt.
Alright guys, so there's another adjustment with us at Chiropractic. If you guys need anything, let us know. Alright? Take care.
What?
What'd you say?
No?
You never let me do this at home, so.
Because I'm always too busy using it on you.
True. That feel okay? I'll tell you.
Oh, that's tender.
Oh, I found it. Found it. You have no excuse either. You haven't done anything in like 2 days.
Hey,
Oh yeah, we did
My
functional
functional
last night.
is
Yeah,
worth
I
it.
forgot. We did functional last night. Oh yeah. See, I never get to do this. I'm so excited.
shut up.
Take a deep breath in and exhale.
Oh, that one's always so tight it hurts.
Because you don't stretch enough.
I do too. That's what I do all the time.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I do more of it in my circuits than you do too.
Mm-hmm.
I stretch more than you. Wait.
Mm-hmm.
You don't throw it on.
Don't jump off the table. You're right.
Mom, put me leg down.
Yeah, listen to me.
Shut up.
Hey!
Ow. I'm glad I kicked you.
No kicking.
Because they're such a sensitive spot.
I know. You're like mine. Hold her down, Ellie. Hold her down, Ellie.
Look, girl, you're supposed to be on my side.
Mom, my girlfriend is all for your
Alright,
guns.
come on up. Good job, Ellie. Yeah, finally.